बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. These are very pretty and these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. These are top trending. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super stunning and very classy crochet ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well. So viewers, if you want different other crochet videos on my channel, then leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on it. These are very stunning and these are very unique and very classy crochet ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. Stay tuned till the next video, and you guys easily make these crochet ideas at homes. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet ideas. These are very amazing and very classy crochet ideas for your home decor. So viewers, I am glad to see you all guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Hope so guys you all are doing well. These are super incredible and very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, and these are super stunning and these are very pretty crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. अपना ख्याल रखें. These are super trending and these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope so you all are doing well. Thank you for so much guys for supporting my channel, and thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Remember me in your prayers, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.